Hello my dear student, here I have made the new video to solve the question number 6 for self practice 6a to find the common factors. Okay, so I have got the comment that few of the students are not able to understand, right? So I have made a new video here in which I will be explaining you about the question number 6 of self practice 6a. Alright, so to find the common factors between 6 and 14, the one which I have solved, that one is also correct. Okay, so you can use that technique also, or you may use the technique which I am solving right now. Okay, so you'll write first of all the factors. You'll write the factors of 6 are, what are the factors of 6? You'll write in what manners you I have told you to ask you to write all the factors of 6, like 1, then comes here 2, then comes 3, then 4, 5 and directly 6. So the factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, 6. Isn't it? Now again, moving on to the next, factors of 14 are, starting with 1 into 14, then comes 2 7s are 14, 3 cannot divide 14, so 3 is not a factor, so 4 is also not factor. Directly comes here, 7 is a factor of, 14 is a factor of 7. Alright, so from here now you have to choose, this is all the factors, but the last 14 is also a factor of itself. So these are the 4 factors. So now you will be writing the common factor. You will be choosing. Now you have to choose the common factors of 6 and 14. The common factors of 6 and 14 are, what number common you can see here? 1. Yes, you'll write 1. And what number you can see the common? 2. So the common between common factors between 6 and 14 are 1 and 2. But other numbers are not common. Just see, right? So the common number, yes, the common number in between these two are 1 and 2. Okay, so let's proceed to the next question, number B, that is 12 and 32. To find the common factors between 12 and 32. So first of all, you'll write the same thing what I did in the previous one. Factors of 12 are, first of all you'll write 1, starting with 1, then comes 2 6s are 12, 3 4s are 12, yes, and 4 3s are 12, then comes 5 cannot divide, so 6 2s are 12, and then comes directly 12 1s are 12, right? And next, factors of 32 you have to find. Factors of 32 are 1 into 32, 2 16s are 32, right? So 3 cannot divide, so 4 is possible, 4 8s are 32, or 8 4s are 32, right? And 8, then comes your 9 cannot divide, 10 cannot divide, 11 also cannot divide, 12 can also cannot divide, so 13 cannot divide. So you will write directly, you will proceed to 16 into 2 is 32 and 32 last. So 1 2s are 2, 2 8s are 2 16s are 32, 4 8s are 32, then comes 8 4s are 32, then 9 10 11 12, those number cannot divide, so we'll directly proceed to 16 2s are 32, then 32 1s are 32 is the factor. So in between these two, what numbers you can see the common? So you'll write the common factors of 12 and 32 are 1 2, yes, then you will write 4, yes, then nothing else. So 1 2 and 4 are the common factors between 12 and 32. Okay, other numbers are not common, so you are not going to write, or you are not going to repeat the other number, because only 1, just see, 2 and this 4 is getting repeated here. So these are the common factors of 12 and 32. Okay, so proceeding to the next part, we have to find the common factors between 24 and 36. Alright, so you'll first of all write the factors of 24. What are the factors of 24? 1 into 24 is 24, then comes 2 12s are 24, 3 8s is also 24, and comes 4 6s is 24, then comes 6 4s are 24, then comes what other numbers can divide? 7 cannot divide, 8 cannot, 8 3s is 24, 9 cannot divide, so 10 cannot also divide, 11 also cannot divide, 12 and directly 24 can divide. So these are the factors of 24, right? So these are the factors of 24 you can write. Next, what are the factors of 36? You will make a list. Factors of 36 are 1 2 2 18s are 36. Then comes 3 12s are 36. Yes. So 4 8s are 4 9s are 36. Yes. Then comes here 5 cannot divide. 6 6 are 36. Yes. 7 cannot divide. 8 cannot divide. Then comes 9 4s are 36. Yes. 10 cannot divide. 11 cannot divide. 12 can divide. 12 3s are 36. Then comes 13 also cannot divide. 14 cannot divide. Then directly we will get 13 cannot divide, so we will write directly 36. So this will be the factors of 36. 1 into 36 is 36. 2 13s are 36. 2 18s are 36, sorry. Then comes here 3 12s are 36. 4 9s are 36. Then 6 6 are 36. 9 4s are 36. 12 3s are 36. Then 36 1s are 36, right? So in between this, what are the numbers you can see the common? So the common factors of 24 and 36 are 1 2, yes, then comes 3, yes. Then what are the numbers you can see common in them? Common in between them you can see 3 4 is also common, yes. 6 is also common. 1 2 3 4 6 and 12. So this will be your factors, overall factors of the common factors between 24 and 36. Alright student, I hope you have understood this. So if you have understood this, you will try number D yourself. Alright, so the number D question is to find the common factors between 30 and 45. Okay, so you'll find the common factors in between these two. You will use this method, or if you feel easy one, the previous one which I have taught you, you can solve with that also. Alright, use that technique also. You can use that technique also. Alright, thank you everyone.